The newly upgraded smart unmanned ice cream vending machine is now on the market. The 360-degree monitoring device ensures the outdoor safety of the equipment. The UI design: large high-definition sensitive single-click screen. Multiple flavor designs for customers to choose from. 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups. Choose any quantity. There is also a hidden menu, can be matched according to taste. Equipped with visualization window. The kids love it very much. You can see the ice cream making process. It is also a must-have for internet celebrities. Spoon at the bottom of the cup. The equipment is equipped with an anti-pinch device. Children are no longer afraid of getting their hands pinched.